90% of online marketers cannot get paid traffic to work for them. That means they are either losing money or they are not getting the type of return on investment that they know they should have. Before we get into how you can join the 10% of online marketers who are totally smashing paid traffic and making huge profits in the process, let me briefly explain why paid traffic is so important to your online business. Unlike free traffic, which although is lovely to get, tends to be a bit hit and miss, paid traffic is consistent and reliable. It's there when you want it, like turning on a faucet. And here's the important part. If you know that spending $1 in advertising will give you $3 in return, how many times would you do it? How many times would you double down and turn that $1 into $100 or $1,000 or even $100,000? Because mastering paid ads is like having your very own magic cash machine. The more you feed that machine, the more profits it spits out at the other end. But the key word here is, of course, mastering. That's the difference between the 90% failing and the 10% succeeding with paid ads. Now, most failing marketers are losing masses of money because they have absolutely no clue what's going on within their advertising funnels. Here's just some of the silly mistakes that we regularly see causing people to give up on the paid ads as the impossible dream. They have zero tracking in place at all. They simply throw shit at the wall and see what sticks. That's a fail. They put their trust solely into the Facebook tracking and conversion statistics. That's not accurate. It's also a fail. They're trusting Google Analytics, which is free and good for what it does, but for this purpose, it's a fail. They're only tracking part of their funnel. Success can only be measured by analyzing the whole funnel, so that's a fail. They're using overly complicated tracking systems that they set up incorrectly. Do you think the results are going to be accurate if it isn't set up properly? It's a fail. Or they're using expensive monthly services that do the basics but certainly don't deliver the results for the prices they're being charged. Fail. But the problem, I'm afraid, runs deeper than just these rookie mistakes. It gets worse. Actually, it gets much, much worse. As more and more would-be online entrepreneurs start working on paid advertising, the demand increases and advertising prices rise. Meaning the same ads that were profitable for you last week are now much more expensive. And suddenly, through no fault of your own, you're losing money. Because not only is your competition going to steal your sales if their ad campaigns are more effective than yours, but they're also just driving up the ad spend just by being there. You need to know how to be smarter with your ad spend. And perhaps the worst situation of all is you may actually already be profitable and not even realize it because of bad or non-existing tracking that you have in place. So you could end up stopping running ads that could be making you a small fortune, all because of tracking software that either, well, flat out doesn't work properly, or is just so complicated to set up that something went wrong with your tracking links. How are you supposed to know if you're doing the right or the wrong thing? You could be losing money by continuing to run failing ads, or you could be losing money by stopping running ads that you don't know are successful. It sounds like a lose-lose, right? If any of that resonates with you, please don't beat yourself up. You're just like 90% of all the other people trying to make paid ads work. You didn't ask for the existing tracking systems to be so complicated, and you didn't ask for them to be overcharging you each and every month and under-delivering. And you certainly didn't ask for your competition to drive the advertising prices up. We understand and we sympathize. Paid ads these days are harder than ever to master without the right kind of tool to help. A tool that can turn this whole darn cycle into a win-win. A way to become much smarter with your ad spend and make your money work much harder for you. A way to improve your campaigns and stop losing money and massively improve your return on investment. Let me introduce you to UpTrack and the ability to track everything. Now here's just some of the awesome profit-turning features you've got to look forward to as soon as you get started with UpTrack. You can set up tracking campaigns in just 2 clicks. No more complicated setup. It's going to track every single aspect of each of your campaigns, including the traffic, the source, the costs, the profits, the conversions, and more. All of your links are going to be completely cloaked for maximum deliverability of your marketing messages. You're going to be able to track single pages, or you're going to be able to track full funnels from the initial opt-in right the way through to the 4th link in the 90-second follow-up email. It's completely easy and intuitive point-and-click interface. It's going to allow you to track AdWords, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, WordPress sites, emails, affiliate networks, mobile ads, and more. You can track unlimited websites. You can track unlimited sales funnels. You can even track unlimited funnel steps. And of course, it's going to give you detailed tracking and conversion analytics in a at-a-glance format. Essentially, what we are talking about is the ability to discover exactly what is working and what needs improvement, turning failing, unprofitable campaigns straight into profitable ROI cash cows. Hey there, my name is John Botel, and I'm here with my partners Alex Costin and Simon Warner, and here's exactly why we can make these claims. I'm a successful long-time e-com marketer, and I've spent almost $38 million on paid traffic in my time. So I definitely understand the importance of being able to accurately and quickly track the LTV, the lifetime customer value of any campaign. My campaigns regularly start off failing, and by careful tweaking and monitoring of every aspect of my funnel, I'm able to flip them into a positive return on investment. Now, I've tried just about every tracking software on the market, and I can break them into 2 categories. The first are very expensive monthly fees that track extremely well, but have an extremely complicated setup. Or number 2, they have slightly less expensive monthly fees that, to be frank, don't track well and leave you fumbling around in the dark, uncertain of your ROI, and making bad decisions based off nothing more than guesswork. UpTrack bridges that gap and solves those problems. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at these incredible results. Alex has even used UpTrack to refine his paid ads to be able to top leaderboards with his affiliate promotions, making over $5,000 in just one day and earning over $58,000 in JV prizes alone, just from maximizing his return on investment with his paid affiliate ad campaigns with, you guessed it, UpTrack. I guess what you're seeing by now is that with paid ads, knowledge is power. And nothing gives you more of this information power about your paid ads than UpTrack. There has never been a better time to start improving your ads by using UpTrack, because during our exclusive launch period, you'll be able to get access to all of the ROI boosting features for a single one-time low investment. Now, as you might imagine, having to continually improve and host a powerful software solution like UpTrack is expensive, and we simply could not afford to run this kind of one-time promotion indefinitely. But we went away and we crunched the numbers, and for 7 days only, we're welcoming on board charter members at a one-time low investment of just $47. Not only that, but for this very limited time, we will include the following free upgrades in your charter one-time price. BoNuS 1 is the complete A/B split testing upgrade, pre-installed directly within your software, giving you definitive results and pushing more money straight into your pockets. BoNuS number 2 is the cost tracking upgrade. It comes pre-installed, so you'll be able to see precisely where your ROI is failing and cut those ads immediately to save wasted dollars. BoNuS number 3 is the full tracking report export ability to allow you to sell your tracking and ad optimization as a service. Now, ad optimization is a mega hot service to sell. You could make thousands by optimizing paid ad funnels and campaigns for other marketers. And it only takes you seconds to do with UpTrack. But the moment the 7-day launch period passes, we have to revert to the monthly payment mode and charge the regular upgrade fee for those bonuses, or else our CFO is going to hunt us down. So take advantage of this very special launch-only pricing and hit the buy button below this video right now to lock in your charter one-time price of just $47 and gain immediate access to the full powerful features of UpTrack to be able to analyze and optimize each and every element of your whole entire sales funnel. Click that buy button now and we'll see you on the inside.